Now, you might be thinking, customizing invoices? Sounds complicated. But fear not. QuickBooks offers a surprisingly user-friendly suite of customization options that can transform your invoices from bland to brand-centric in just a few steps. Whether you want to add your company logo, change the color scheme to match your branding, include specific terms and conditions, or even tailor the information displayed, QuickBooks puts the power in your hands. Why bother with customization? Let's break it down. First and foremost, branding consistency is key. Imagine a beautifully designed website and marketing materials, followed by a plain, uninspired invoice. The disconnect can be jarring and dilute your brand's impact. Customizing your invoices ensures a cohesive brand experience across all customer interactions. Secondly, clear and well-formatted invoices reduce confusion and potential payment delays. By clearly labeling fields, adding payment terms, and including any necessary disclaimers, you make it easier for your customers to understand their bill and process it efficiently. This can significantly improve your cash flow and reduce the need for follow-up inquiries. Furthermore, customization allows you to add a personal touch. A simple thank you for your business note or a brief personalized message can go a long way in building customer relationships and fostering loyalty. These small details can make your business stand out from the competition. So, are you ready to ditch the dull defaults and create invoices that truly shine? Let's dive into the step-by-step process of customizing your invoices in QuickBooks. First, open your QuickBooks account. On the left-hand navigation menu, you'll find a Sales tab. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Invoices. Now, you have a couple of options to start customizing. You can either create a new invoice and customize it from scratch, or you can customize a pre-existing template that you can then apply to all future invoices. For our purposes, let's go with customizing a template. Look for the Customize button, usually located near the top right of the invoice screen or within the New Invoice window. Click on it. This will take you to the Customize Appearance window. Here, you'll see various sections that allow you to modify different aspects of your invoice. Let's explore the key areas. 1. Design. This is where you can inject your brand's visual identity. Logo. The first thing you'll likely want to do is add your company logo. Click on the Logo section and then the plus icon to upload your logo file. QuickBooks allows you to adjust the size and placement of your logo on the invoice. Make sure it's clear and appropriately sized for a professional look. Color scheme. Under the Color section, you can choose a primary and secondary color that aligns with your brand. QuickBooks offers a palette of standard colors, or you might have the option to enter specific hex codes for precise brand matching. Fonts. Select a font that is legible and consistent with your other business communications. Stick to professional and easy-to-read fonts to avoid any confusion. Layout. The Layout section allows you to adjust the overall structure of your invoice. You can choose different layouts for how information is presented, including the placement of fields and columns. Experiment with the different options to find a layout that best suits your needs and the amount of information you typically include. 2. Content. This section lets you control the information displayed on your invoice. Header. Here, you can customize the information that appears at the top of your invoice, such as your company name, address, email, and phone number. Ensure all your contact details are accurate and up-to-date. You can also customize the invoice title, e.g., Invoice, Tax Invoice. Table. This is where you configure the columns that appear in the itemized list of your products or services. You can choose which columns to display, e.g., description, quantity, rate, amount, tax, rearrange their order, and even customize the column headings to be more specific to your business. For instance, instead of description, you might use service performed if you run a service-based business. Footer. The footer is a great place to include important information such as payment terms, e.g., net 30 days, due upon receipt, late payment penalties, accepted payment methods, and any legal disclaimers. You can also add a personalized thank you message here. Custom fields. QuickBooks allows you to add custom fields to capture specific information relevant to your business. For example, if you're a contractor, you might want to add a job site field. You can create these custom fields and choose where they appear on your invoice. 3. Emails. While not directly on the invoice itself, customizing the email template that accompanies your invoices is also crucial for a professional presentation. You can personalize the subject line and body of the email to include your branding and a polite message. Once you've made your desired customizations, be sure to preview your invoice to see how it will look to your customers. QuickBooks usually provides a preview button. Take the time to review everything carefully to ensure all the information is accurate, well-formatted, and visually appealing. After you're satisfied with your changes, click Save or Apply. You'll likely have the option to save this customization as a template, which you can then apply to all future invoices, ensuring consistency across your billing. You can even create multiple templates if you have different invoicing needs for various types of clients or services. Remember, your invoice is an extension of your brand. By taking the time to customize it in QuickBooks, you can create a professional, clear, and impactful document that not only facilitates payments but also strengthens your customer relationships. It's a small investment of time that can yield significant benefits for your business's image and efficiency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.